Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to resize an image on your iPhone. So if you want to get like an image and you want to resize it, let's just use this image for now. So if you want to like crop it, resize it and stuff like that, you can do that by pressing on the three lines on the bottom of the screen and then press crop, and here you can like zoom in, zoom out, or you can also change the format of the picture. So like I can crop it like this, and like that. And once I'm done, once you've selected like the look that you want, just press done on the top right and your options will be saved. So there we go. Now it looks like this. And if you want to like revert them, you just go back into edit mode and then press revert on the top right. So revert to original. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.